Protecting your home and family shouldn't be about luck, it should be about having 24/7 visibility and total control. Whether it's package thieves, unexpected visitors, or monitoring your property while you're away, a reliable home security system gives you complete peace of mind. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best security camera systems in 2026. From crystal clear 4K resolution and AI-powered motion detection to subscription-free local storage and weather-resistant designs, we've found the absolute best options. All product links with current pricing are in the description box below. Let's jump right in. Number 5. Blink Outdoor 4 Security Camera System. Starting our list at number 5 is the Blink Outdoor 4, a wireless smart security camera system designed to monitor both indoor and outdoor areas directly from your smartphone. Each camera provides 1080p HD live video, infrared night vision, and two-way audio, allowing you to see and speak with visitors through the Blink app. One of its biggest advantages is the up to 2-year battery life using the included AA lithium batteries. Enhanced dual-zone motion detection can also send faster motion alerts to your phone. This package includes 5 outdoor 4 cameras and a sync module too. You can use optional cloud storage through a Blink subscription plan or backup clips locally using the sync module too with a compatible USB drive. Pros: 5 camera system, 1080p HD video, up to 2-year battery life, two-way audio and infrared night vision. Alexa compatibility. Cons: person detection requires a subscription. USB drive for local backup sold separately. No higher than 1080p resolution. Overall, the Blink Outdoor 4 offers easy wireless installation, long battery life, and useful smart home features, making it our number 5 pick for the best outdoor security cameras of 2026. Number 4. Swann Advanced X 4K Wired NVR Security Camera System. Coming in at number 4 is the Swann Advanced X 4K Security Camera System, a wired post-surveillance setup designed for reliable 24/7 home and property monitoring. The system includes 4 4K 8MP cameras and an 8-channel NVR with a 1 TB hard drive. Its high-resolution cameras can capture important details such as faces, license plates, and clothing. Because the cameras use power over Ethernet, both power and video travel through wired connections, so continuous recording does not depend on Wi-Fi. The cameras also provide color night vision up to 50 feet with built-in spotlights. Smart AI detection can identify people, vehicles, pets, motion, line crossings, and perimeter activity. It can trigger recording, mobile alerts, lights, and other security responses. The pre-recording feature also captures footage from around 10 seconds before detected activity begins. Pros: 4K Ultra HD video, 24/7 wired PO recording, 1 TB local storage included, AI person and vehicle detection, color night vision with spotlights. Cons: wired installation requires more setup. Only 4 cameras included with the 8-channel NVR. 15 frames per second listed frame rate. Overall, the Swann Advanced X offers detailed 4K recording, dependable wired surveillance, and advanced AI detection, making it our number 4 pick for the best outdoor security camera systems of 2026. Number 3. ANNKE H800 4K PO Security Camera System. Taking the number 3 spot is the ANNKE H800, a wired 4K PO security camera system built for continuous home and property surveillance. This bundle includes 5 8MP 4K turret cameras connected to an 8-channel NVR with a 2 TB hard drive. The cameras record at up to 3840 by 2160 resolution, providing detailed footage for monitoring important areas. Its wired power over Ethernet connection carries both power and video through Ethernet cables, making it suitable for reliable 24/7 continuous recording without depending on wireless camera batteries. The cameras also provide up to 100 feet of EXIR night vision with Smart IR. A wide 123-degree viewing angle helps cover larger areas, while the IP67 weatherproof construction makes the cameras suitable for outdoor installation. Pros: 4K 8MP video resolution. 5Po cameras included. Large 2TB hard drive. Up to 100-foot night vision. IP67 weatherproof cameras. Cons: wired installation requires more work. Only 5 cameras included with an 8-channel NVR. Requires Ethernet cabling around the property. Overall, the ANNKE H800 combines detailed 4K video, large local storage, and dependable wired recording, making it our number 3 pick for the best outdoor security camera systems of 2026. Number 2. Eufy Security EufyCam S3 Pro 4Cam Kit. Coming in at number 2 is the EufyCam S3 Pro, a premium wireless 4K outdoor security system designed for detailed monitoring without mandatory monthly fees. The 4 cameras capture 4K video and use max color vision technology to provide detailed color footage even in very low light conditions. Each camera also offers a wide 135-degree viewing angle. Power comes from Solar Plus 2.0, with built-in solar charging and 2 backup solar panels included. Its dual motion detection system combines radar and PIR sensors to identify human movement while helping reduce unnecessary alerts. The included Homebase S380 provides 16 GB of local storage and supports expansion up to 16 TB. The system also works with Alexa and Apple HomeKit, although HomeKit video is limited to 1080p. Pros: 4K max color night vision. Solar Plus 2.0 charging. Radar and PIR motion detection. No required monthly storage fee. Expandable local storage up to 16 TB. Cons: HomeKit video limited to 1080p. 15 frames per second listed frame rate. Premium 4-camera system. Overall, the EufyCam S3 Pro combines sharp 4K video, solar power, intelligent detection, and subscription-free local storage, making it our number 2 pick for the best outdoor security camera systems of 2026. Number 1. Reolink RLK8-410B4-5MP PO Security Camera System. Taking the number 1 spot is the Reolink RLK8-410B4-5MP, a wired PO security camera system designed for reliable 24/7 indoor and outdoor surveillance. The system includes 4 5MP cameras and an 8-channel NVR with a pre-installed 2 TB hard drive. Its 5MP resolution delivers detailed video, while 18 infrared LEDs provide night vision up to 100 feet. Smart detection can identify people, animals, and vehicles, helping reduce unnecessary alerts caused by things like leaves or insects. The built-in microphones also record ambient audio alongside the video. Installation is simplified with power over Ethernet, allowing each camera to receive power and transmit video through a single network cable. You can choose continuous, scheduled, or motion-based recording and remotely review footage through the Reolink app. Pros: 5MP Super HD video. Person, animal, and vehicle detection. Up to 100-foot night vision. 2 TB HDD included. 24/7 PO recording. Cons: wired installation requires Ethernet cabling. Only 4 cameras included with the 8-channel NVR. 80-degree viewing angle is narrower than some competitors. Overall, the Reolink RLK8-410B4-5MP combines reliable wired recording, smart detection, large local storage, and excellent night vision, making it our number 1 pick for the best outdoor security camera systems of 2026.